Shivendra here, coming live from nice, beautiful beachside or from near my home. I thought want to first of all wish all the fellow Australians a happy Australia Day and all my fellow Indians happy Republic Day. I hope you are enjoying your holiday and enjoying your day with your family and friends. And I just thought there had been a lot of requests coming through. I thought I can come live and discuss a very important point. Market has been in downtrend for some time. I think a couple of weeks has been in going downtrend, and there has been a panic in terms of panic selling, and there has been a bit of pullback. But what we should do? So I thought I can share some tip what I am following. I think you have to. Sorry about that sound. It's a nice wave here. It's coming through, but awesome. So, so in terms of what we should do, one has to focus on first of all individual stocks they own, and also should take the opportunity to book some profits at regular intervals. One has to have a process in place, and that would basically get you way in terms of a successful investing. So in terms of one tip I can give you is you need to look at each and every stocks you have in your portfolio and also look at whether their relative strength vis-a-vis market has been worse. So you should look at exiting those. So you can use indicators, and indicators are just, as name says, it can indicate you something. And one of the strongest indicator which I think you should always keep handy is called relative strength, and relative to something, whether it could be an index. If you're investing in India, it could be Nifty. If you're investing in US, it could be S&P 500. If you are in ASX, then it could be XJO, which is the headline index, or it could be sector index. So you have to look at each and every stock you have vis-a-vis the market, headline index, and vis-a-vis the sector which that particular company belongs to. That's one thing. And look at it, what has been the correction vis-a-vis the market, and that will give you some idea about whether that's a strong company you're holding. And if it's a strong company, then definitely when market turns, it should come back strongly as well. Obviously when market is downtrend, there'll be definitely the stocks will correct, but one has to look at it more objectively and take the decisions. Just don't exit blindly all your great stocks just because market is correcting. One has to have a way, a method. If the stock is another point is, if you look at it from main support and resistance, I think one thing one can look at it on a weekly chart, because I'm a long-term investor, so I kind of look at only weekly on monthly chart. So I don't take my decision based on daily chart primarily. So you can look at a weekly chart and see if major support lines are being broken on a closing basis. That could be one indication that you should look at your positions, what you should do. So I thought I can share these two main important pointers which will help you in these times. Obviously I always say that when market is rising, one should not chase the prices, okay? Because it been always been a FOMO in the market. There have been like pretty much all the stocks were rising last year, so this year will be more of fundamentals and also selective buying. So please keep that in mind. It's not going to be very straightforward, easy to make money this year. One has to always look at the price action, look at the fundamentals, and make the decisions in terms of what one should be buying in these markets. I hope you got some value from this video. I just thought whatever it was in my mind, I want to share this. First point, I talked about relative strength vis-a-vis the headline index and also sector index. Second is look at the major support lines. Has been taken off on a weekly basis, then it's a good time to review your stock positions and lighten some position. And third being, always focus on both fundamentals and price action and take that decisions. So if you have any comments, do write in the comment box below. so I can see and share with you if I have any points to talk about. Sorry, just got it. Yep. Okay. So hope this was useful. Thank you so much. I'm signing off now. There's a party going on here. I can see.